Hello, my American, Canadian, Japanese, French friend from everywhere now. I'm coming back from mountain biking and for my lunch I'm going to make lentils. Because I have a hard time to digest them, they have a lot of fibers. I soak them in the early morning in a lot of water. There are a lot of kind of lentils. Brown, green, pink. The most famous in France are the green lentils from Le Puy. They are AOC, appellation d'origine contrôlée. And today I picked the pink lentils for an Indian recipe that I love. Before cooking rice or lentils, rinse them very carefully. Then I let them soak for 5 hours. Rinse them again before cooking. Strain them. Chop the fresh cilantro, and thanks to my friend Janet for this. Grate the ginger, the oil in the pot. Put the ginger, the turmeric, the curry, the dried cilantro, and mix. Add the lentils, mix them with the spices. Add the tomatoes and the chicken bouillon, cover and let them cook. Add the fresh cilantro and the cocoa milk, mixed. And it's ready to eat cold or hot.